Morning, everybody. All right, looking at Nas again. Um, well, first things first. Today is January 14th. Right now, it's currently about 9:39 a.m. A little bit after market opened. Now, today we had some high impact news at 8:30. We had, I think it was CPI, no PPI news at 8:30. Which really impact the markets. Now, today is a little bit tricky. And I'll tell you why. We have mixed bias for today. On the long term, objectively speaking, we're bearish on the higher time frame, starting from the daily. As you can see, um, the daily candle right here closed beneath these most recent daily lows, confirming that we're bearish. Right now, we're in a daily bearish fair value gap. Also in a daily bearish order block right here, because these two moves, these candles going up. On the 4-hour time frame, we're also bearish. Right, tapped into a 4-hour bearish fair order block right here. The 1-hour time frame, we're bearish, objectively speaking, but we're going to the upside with decent momentum. 30-minute bearish as well. 15-minute, we are bullish. This candle, I think this was CPI news, so this candle broke above these highs, leaving a 15-minute fair value gap, and so on and so forth. Now, here's why we also can take some bias for today. Coming back on the 4-hour time frame, I know we're not bullish because the 4-hour candle did not break structure above these highs yet. However, we do have a 4-hour fair value gap here that we literally wicked off of with great momentum. On the 1-hour time frame, we swept out these lows, and these lows with this move, and we bounced back up to the upside. Remember how I told you guys liquidity sweeps move the market. 30-minute, we're bullish. Well, I mean, we're bearish, but the reason why I'm looking at bullish trades too is because when we go down to the 5-minute, which is our time frame that we look to enter off of fair value gaps, we have a massive fair value gap right here on the 5-minute time frame. And price came down, took out these 5-minute lows, and we are literally pushing to the upside. Now, on the 1-minute time frame, we're waiting for displacement. I know we have it here, right here. But honestly speaking, guys, I don't know yet. I really don't know. Also, I want to see how price breaks above these 1-hour highs right here. Now, guys, ultimately speaking, here's what I would want to happen preferably. Since we're bearish on the higher time frames, I would love to trade sells today. I would love for price to take out these highs and then show me some displacement to the downside, these 1-hour highs right here. Or take out these other highs up here and then displace to the downside. These are 4-hour highs, I believe. Yeah, these are 4-hour highs right here. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to come back to you guys when we have that. So let me just do that real quick. 1 second. All right, guys. So we got some action, right? Let me break down to you guys what I've seen while we were on pause. Like I told you, the 4-hour is still bearish, right? But if you take a look at the 1-hour, we have a 1-hour bearish fair value gap. Now, we also took out these 30-minute highs right here, and we got a nice reaction off of it. We swept two 30-minute highs, right? Now, on the 5-minute time frame, we just tapped into this 5-minute fair value gap that I marked out right here. But also, if I take this off, no, let me keep it on. We also tapped into this here 5-minute order block. This entire box that I marked off is a 5-minute order block because it's the move up before the displacement of the move down, right? And remember, guys, this placement is literally just a break of structure with a fair value gap. So on the 5 minute, we broke structure. Look, see, it moved down followed by a move up. This is the candle's low. This white candle came down, broke beneath that low, and we broke structure to the downside. And with that break of structure, we also left a 5 minute fair value gap. So literally, guys, all I'm waiting for now is for the 1 minute time frame to break structure and displace to the downside once again. And we can target our first liquidity at these 1 hour lows resting right here. And yeah, that's pretty much what I have for today. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna put it on pause again because I don't want you guys to wait with me and be bored. I'm gonna wait and see. I'm gonna come back and unpause it once we have the 1 minute displacement to the downside and I enter the trade. All right, and we're back. All right, guys. So just a little update. We came all the way up into the top portion of this 5 minute order block, right? I'm still hawking the sells. I'm still hawking the lows on the 1 minute to see when we're gonna break. But as you can see right now, let me take off this fair value gap. It's getting a little messy. Take off these. Take off these. Okay, so what I'm waiting for right now is a break of these lows. Once we get that, we can then enter the trade. Let me see something. Could target these lows first. Yeah, guys, this is what I'm waiting for. Because we got the displacement, we got the tiniest fair value gap. We got the tiniest fair value gap right here. And if this candle can break beneath these lows, that means that it respected the fair value gap, respected the higher time frame trend, and we're going to the downside, which is what I want. I do not want a candle closing above this fair value gap. If that's the case, then that fair value gap got disrespected and we can start chopping up for a little bit with price action. All right, we got 10 seconds left. 5 units. Did not break yet. But we respected this fair value gap. 1 minute fair value gap. So I'm waiting another minute to see if we can possibly break beneath this white line right here. And if we don't, we don't. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's all in. Today was high impact news, so the market can move a little shady. But yeah, so that's what we're waiting on right now. It's all about patience, guys. It's all about patience. Okay. We got about 13 seconds left. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, nah. I can't. Nah. I need a retracement. I need something. That was a huge break. A 1-to-1. Ew, nah. All right. I'll enter now. All right, guys. I'm in. I'm in. We got the break of structure. On the 1 minute time frame with displacement. First target is down here. Second target is these 1 hour lows. What lows are these that I'm targeting? These are 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute lows are the first target. Second target. You know what? I might as well just bring it down here. That's what I'm gonna do. A 1-to-9, a 1-to-1.9 risk to reward. Yeah, guys. So I'm in the trade, and let me write out the confluences for this setup. Give me 1 second. All right, so these are the confluences that led to me taking this trade. So let's start it off again and I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. Let me lock this real quick. So if we go on the daily time frame, the daily time frame, we're bearish. Like I said earlier, this candle right here, this white candle right here, closed beneath these lows, leaving a daily fair value gap as well. So the daily's bearish, and we traded inside a daily fair value gap right here. This low and this high of this candle. On the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame is bearish. I forgot to mention that we also tapped into a 4-hour order block, but I didn't feel the need to write that down. On the 1-hour time frame, we are bearish as well. Tapped into a 1-hour fair value gap, and we are respecting it. On a 30-minute time frame, we took out two 30-minute highs. This high right here and this high right here. On the 5-minute time frame now, we originally broke down with displacement, leaving a fair value gap, leaving a 5-minute order block. And now on the 1-minute time frame, we displaced inside the order block of the 5-minute time frame to the downside. And when I say displaced, I mean we literally broke originally up here, leaving a fair value gap right here, but we also broke all the way down here, leaving a fair value gap right here as well too. So we got two forms of displacement. I'm targeting these 1-hour lows. And yeah, guys, I will keep you guys updated once we have any take profits or stop loss being hit. I don't want you guys to wait too long. Right now we're up about 0.9%, which is fairly valid. That's about $300. And yeah, guys, I'll be right back. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back and we are close to hitting our target. I moved my stop loss a little bit beneath break even because there's no way in hell price is coming up to these levels again. But yeah, we're up about 900 right now, and we need price to hit this green line because that is our 1-hour drawn liquidity, and we are about to hit it within 2 ticks, 3 ticks, 4 ticks. Don't do that. Do not do that. Yeah. So reason being I put my stop loss to break even is because we have 15-minute lows right here. And remember from yesterday, guys, liquidity sweeps moved the market. So potentially speaking, we could sweep these lows and then come back up, which is why my stop loss is at break even, because I'm not losing anything off this trade. I'd rather make nothing than lose something. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, I'm gonna wait it out. We have 4 minutes till the candle closes. And yeah, just giving you guys a little update before we either hit break even or take profit. And I'll let you guys know in a few. All right, guys. So I just noticed something. On the 15-minute time frame, we didn't close beneath these 15-minute lows. And if I know something about the markets, I know that liquidity sweeps move the markets. Wait a minute. I was just about to close the trade, but then this 1-minute candle, if this 1-minute candle closes beneath these lows, I'll stay in the trade because this is more this is a move down that we need. Okay, so I'm gonna stay in the trade only because this fair value gap, this breaker structure happened and got disrespected, and I was literally about to close the trade because I seen this 15-minute liquidity sweep. This candle didn't close beneath these lows on a 15-minute time frame, so I thought it was gonna be a liquidity sweep. But I'll hold the trade. I'll hold the trade till the very end, and I'll see what we want to do. But yeah, another update. I'm sorry. I know I keep pausing the video and everything, but I just want to keep you guys updated. So this is the last time I'm pausing the video. When I come back, we'll either hit take profit or break even. All right, and it looks like we're gonna go for take profit, but I'll be back. All right, guys, we're back. We hit the take profit, made about 900 today. Nice 0.50% up on the account. Once again, guys, these are my confluences for entering the trade, and I hope you guys had some value watching me live trade and watching me, navigate through the markets, because trading futures is definitely not easy, but we can make it easy with risk management, common sense, and sticking to a plan. But yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day today. Trading PPI news is definitely possible. Just wait till after the news drops. But yeah, guys, you guys have a great day today. See you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Take care.